Replacing underground pipes used to mean messy and invasive digging. But now, Roto-Rooter can perform zero-dig pipe restoration services to provide the same reliability and life expectancy without digging trenches. When an underground or hard-to-reach pipe shows signs of trouble, Roto-Rooter conducts a high-definition video inspection of the inside of the pipe. If corrosion, breaks, or structural problems are revealed, we will provide the customer with repair and replacement options. Zero-dig pipe restoration is the best choice if the damaged pipe runs through slabs or beneath landscaping or sidewalks. Because the repairs are made remotely through a clean-out access port, or if necessary, a modest access pit, most of the work is done underground, causing little or no collateral damage above ground. The next step is to descale the pipe's interior to make its surface smooth and clean enough for relining. Then, a pre-measured fabric liner is saturated with epoxy resin, fitted over an inflatable tube, and packed into an inversion tank. The tank is connected to the existing pipe, usually through the clean-out access port. Air pressure is used to push the inverted liner right through the old pipeline. The flexible new liner can negotiate bends up to 90 degrees, span large gaps, and even adjust to varying diameters in the host pipe. Once in place, the tube is inflated to press the new liner against the interior walls of the old pipe until it hardens in place. The calibration tube is then deflated, leaving behind a smooth and seamless new pipe that is just as durable and watertight as a conventionally laid pipe. A final quality assurance video inspection is completed before the new pipe is reconnected to the structure. You can expect it to provide decades of trouble-free service. Roto-Rooter can restore pipes in a range of lengths and diameters to meet most any need. Best of all, when our crew leaves, your yard will look the same as it did when we arrived. Roto-Rooter backs its pipe relining service for 5 years. Pipe patches are guaranteed for 1 full year, some of the strongest guarantees in the business.